Hey guys, well today we're gonna set forms, and then tomorrow we're gonna pour for the foundation. I've got my skid steer out here, and we're gonna dress up this road, spread some gravel, get a little bit more traction, and then there's this giant boulder I'm gonna tackle up here. So wish me luck. I'm sorry guys, y'all missed the struggle. I thought I was recording and it wasn't, but I got this big boulder. And this sucker is huge, so I'm gonna place it up, get it out of the way, place it up front, and that'll be another focal point when you're coming into the property. It right in the middle. That's not good. Well, I got it again. Well, I think this might work. I think I got it upside down. How am I gonna do this? There we go. That's gonna be cool. All right, let's spread some gravel. are the panels that came off of the truck, and basically they stage them here ready to go into the wall assembly. So right now they're putting up all the rebar mesh or the internal web inside the panels that supports the concrete and makes the wall really strong. So if you're not familiar with how these walls go together, we basically stand them up around the rebar grid, and then there's a metal strap that holds the two panels together. This is that metal strap. So I'm going to show you how it's installed, and then they break off the little circular tab on the end when it's hanging outside of the concrete, and then we basically dress that up and make it waterproof. I'm going to turn this camera around so you can see. So there's where the wall strap is, and it basically joins the two panels together so it doesn't blow out when there's concrete in it. And you see the rebar grid that's in between there. It'll sit and get strapped right to that strap that's spanning across, and that's what strengthens that wall, so you don't have a failure. Really cool system, very strong. Hey, one of my favorite people showed up.
Hi.
And she brought me a peppermint mocha from Starbucks.
Not sponsored.
Well, let's check it out. We're gonna check out this foundation wall. The garage is looking good. We got, they start at the corners here and they work their way around. So just shy of finishing up the garage this evening, but at 5 o'clock we got to send them home because we're making a lot of noise out here and we don't want to disrupt the neighbors. So yeah, it's an exciting day, and man, tomorrow we're gonna knock this out and pour. The pour is gonna start probably around 1 o'clock, but yeah, it's good, and just before the rain. That's exactly what we needed. We needed to get this done right before the rain, or it would have set us back another month. So we're very fortunate somebody's thinking about us. Well, good morning, guys. We got the wall crew out here. We had to get a couple more panels dropped off because we got more walls than they expected. And I got a ton of Chick-fil-A biscuits. We are not sponsored by Chick-fil-A yet. But anyway, time to rock and roll on this one. I can't wait to give these biscuits to these guys. Not enough people appreciate the trades today. And these are the people that are building our homes, our infrastructure, and anyway, it's a small token of appreciation. So we got a line pump that just showed up, and that's a lot different than the pump truck that you saw earlier. So a line pump is when you can't get a pump truck in, and you saw what happened with that pump truck getting stuck. Well, we didn't want to do that again. So a line pump is a trailer mounted pump, and it'll pump up to 500 feet. So we're going to set them up on the road and just back the concrete trucks right up to the back end of that. And so that way all we have to do is move a hose around. Now it's a more expensive way of doing things. Concrete's more expensive, and it's a little bit more laborious as far as the people doing the install and the pour, but it comes out nicer. It's got a finer mix in it, so we should see a good result in it, and I don't want to pay another $800 record bill. So as you can see, we're making progress on the main house. The garage is complete, about ready to pour. We're going to get everything set up before we start pumping concrete, but it should be happening shortly. We got a whole bunch of pizzas, Cokes, Hostess cupcakes, Twinkies, you name it. We're going to give it to these guys an appreciation for what they're doing for us. So we got a lunch set up with pizza, Twinkies, Hostess, Dr. Pepper, Cokes, everything a grown boy needs. Say, hey, Jana. So we got the concrete pump set up, the line pump, and it's attached to the back of a truck, parked on the hill. The concrete truck will come in and put their chute right into the bucket there, and I think we have 10 concrete trucks coming, 90 yards, so a lot of concrete, a lot of trucks in and out, and we got to get a place for them to wash out, so I'm gonna go out there and fix that. But it's happening. Concrete's here. So it's my first time seeing the front of the house with the columns. That's pretty cool. There's some massive columns there. So this is what the inside of a column looks like. So it's another late night, and I know you guys can't see me. It's not normal to be working this late, but that's just the way things are. We got to get it done when we can get it done. So I've got 20 hamburgers, I've got 20 fries, 4 cases of Gatorade, and 2 headlamps, and we are pouring concrete. It's about 6 o'clock right now. We'll probably be going till at least 9. I don't know how these guys do it, but they're doing it, and I'm thankful. Well, it's 8:45. I believe we have 4 more concrete trucks to go. I'm getting tired, my back is hurting, but there is an end in sight. It's 9:45 and we are still pouring. You can see the creek through the construction.